regret this.
Huh?
You're going to regret this.
Mabes. Hello. What are you doing up there?
What has he got all on him?
He's a good boy. You stay there. Don't try to jump down. Blue sky, mice.
I told you it was sunny today.
Blue sky! Bubble, calm down. Oh, it's frozen as well.
Is it?
Oh my god, Flo. Not seen those for a while. The mountains. Proper. What can you see? Huh? Bubble. Hey, mate. Merry Christmas, folks. No!
It's Christmas! Don't eat that. Oh.
Is it slippy?
Yeah.
Let's slip. Saw me 1 minute ago.
Are you proud that I unlocked it though? Calm it.
Put it on move just in case.
Okay, boss, come back.
Oh.
Yeah. Just wait.
Die.
I ripped my handle off. Wait. Hey, get.
Apparently, silicone spray
Silicone, okay.
is what we need to buy.
Right.
That'll stop this happening.
I did the lock though. Fucking defreezer's in there.
Well done.
So I'll bring it next time. Can you look at condensation? It's frozen. I don't know if I'm ready for this again yet. Look, that's full frost.
We've not insulated your pipes yet.
Fucking inflated jack might.
Doing the tink.
Yeah, true. Fucking half-ass job, isn't it? Bodge job, ain't make no difference. Not bodge job, but you know what I mean. I'm glad it's cold though.
Yeah. If it was raining, I would just go back to sleep.
Yeah, I'm really glad it's cold.
Hello. Oh, and it's gone. We'll get it in a minute, and we're going to get that lovely thing, and there's lake smoky. What's it? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Come on then, Bob, let's go.
No, I'd see shortly.
Okay, won't be.
Someone's on the beers a bit early. Oh, I love it. Treated us today. Got the windows open. Don't normally have them open. Wee. Hey. You Willie. Boss, come.
Go.
Come. I think you scruffy bastard.
So we can do it.
That's my shit.
Bosco, have you farted? He's already had a shit, so.
It might be on his feet. No, I hope not.
No, don't worry, don't worry. My hands are cold.
Don't know.
That'll make it worse, won't it?
No. What your silly
Because they've gone
theories.
to
Just
extreme.
there.
No, they've gone to extreme cold to extreme heat.
You got poo on your feet? I hope not.
No, not either. That won't be so.
I'll just bin the blanket. It was 2:10. We'll just have dinner at about 4. I'll just start cooking it a bit, eh?
What are we going to have now then? No, we're not No, it's Christmas. We need good food. What have we got? What goodies have we got?
Fuck all for breakfast.
No chocolate. Should we have another coffee and chocolate?
Chocolate cake.
Yeah, and coffee.
Hello.
Why are you naked?
It's got a really big neck.
Hello.
Oh, fuck the coffees off my champagne. Okay. Hello!
Can you get your face away?
I don't want to lose it though because obviously there's people around. It's littering, ain't it?
Look, I'm not done.
What if we don't? We've got bright sun. I was very lucky.
It's so funny. Oh, it's gone back down. Oh, I'm so scared.
I'll hold it, Willie.
How do you...
What?
Are you sure you need a tea towel?
I don't need a fucking tea towel.
To stop the crack you up?
I have 2 hands left.
Oh, no, I'm so worried. Are you sure?
Oh man, you bitch.
I don't think it works like that.
It does. Here you go. Ready? Come on then.
Okay, good. Fizzy!
I like. Tilty. Frimbo nice.
Cheers, mate.
Text Dawn said might not make Boxing Day. So I'll let you
What's
know.
happening on Boxing Day?
Nothing, just being alive.
Oh, okay.
Campervan might be on hold forever. Have this, drink that, all of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
I want to save some for later.
Correct. Oh, loads of stuff. You've got Bombay Sapphire now, if you get.
Shit, I have, haven't I?
Yeah. So we'll do this and then we'll have a wander up to the water. Oh, we've got nuts and everything and fucking
Nibbles!
them things.
Which?
Sticks. Pretzels.
Which one then? That one or that one?
Go for a month. Go for a month.
What's the rest of shit?
Every year
And
in
some.
England we're like, please be White Christmas. It never is.
It was a few years ago, wasn't it? This is better.
Oh shit. This is the best. This is what people pay £3,000 to come for their Christmas holiday.
And the fucking avocados in the fridge.
Yeah, we're here for free. Can't handle this.
What can't you handle?
Because I can look at you now and not feel fucking weird about it. And now I can't
Weird.
deal
I've
with
never
it.
actually looked at your face properly before because I thought, no, just don't look at it. And now I still can't, so I'm like, oh my god, look at it. What then? I literally dare not look at you, still. That's pretty sick, actually.
Hey.
Isn't that wicked, Bubble? Yeah. What's this? Oh, happy Christmas.
There we go.
Your suit's red and your suit's blue. I feel like your suit's red a bit more.
Got your tinsel. There's a good boy.
Is that nice? Oh, festive dog.
You want to come do, don't you? I don't know how the logistics of
It's
it
not
are
going to
going to work.
happen. Wait, do you want to eat? Should we go in
Well
the
then,
middle?
up.
What's your drink?
There it is.
So Bolski, from now on, if you want to be on the sofa, you're going to have to deal with this, okay? Not having your own space.
Bubble. Cheers.
Cheers.
Huh?
I'll wear it.
What?
My jumper, as well as coat.
These defo fit, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, large would be too large. I think they're supposed to be smaller anyway.
Large fit me, so I sort of gauged it. This is like the pinnacle of all of the episodes since you've been out.
Why is it?
With all of the glove rants and when I'm down to good gloves, it's okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're good.
Hopefully they are. I hope they won't too much.
No.
Oh, Ski! What's your Tell him.
What are you barking for? I want to take a big camera, but yeah. I'm not going to be able to do everything at once. Still got nice pictures. Same.
Mate, let's go faster. Both at the same time.
Why the lean back?
Just wasn't quite in frame, you know.
Did you get shit bags?
Yeah, I did.
Sake. Get his face.
It's all fun and games for you, isn't it, Bolsky? How about you clean up my shit one day? Halt! Halt! I mean, stop. 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 You're right on my arse then. Up. See, why even look at me? All I can smell is your shit as well.
Fuck me. About when then?
Huh?
About slip.
Good one.
About slipped.
Good one. Yes, good over.
Where's the pet ferry? Yeah, for hunting. Bossy. Bossy. It's still warm a little bit in here. There's buddy. Don't wriggle. Van life, everything takes 6 times longer.
Oh, it's my head. Do I have to flick my hair and it just doesn't work? Hi. It's definitely pointing more at me than it is you.
Don't forget it's 180.
Don't forget it's pointing more at me than it is you.
I got this, don't worry. Just do that.
What if? Excited? Mate, Christmas. Connected. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, it looks sick. Christmas dinner! I'm so excited for this. Oh, it's pretty fucking good.
Is it? Hey!
Yeah, 100%.
Cool.